off our neutrals. Holy shit. Oh, my box full of neutrals there. Like I didn't wheel yet. Box full of neutrals. Have you heard that? Went off the gear and first. I was like, what's going on here? Thought maybe I'm too. You think I wouldn't? I think I'd never rode a bike in a year. I took this bike over from my parents. I garaged up for the winter and no bar getting home. I think maybe I was wearing a different jacket. I felt less restricted. But I'm rusty as an iron nail. Yeah. It took me a while. 6 gears on, yeah. It took me a while to get back in the bike up the folk state there. The new... I'll talk that later. Yeah. Yeah, it took me a while to get back on the bike. I'm a bit late this year doing this. Usually I'm out by March, April time, but just not much on, and this, that, and the other. Just only come a bit now and then. The weather was good for a few weeks, I had no excuse. But I just a few things on behind the scenes, so I'm just getting it out now. Well, I took it out 3 times before, but never recorded anything before this. Like, that was my first official recording. I'm only going to town. It's a wee quick one. I'm shouting here. I'm shouting over this wind, so I hope I'm not too loud. I hope you can see everything okay, because for some reason this hidden lock adapter for the camera, instead of maybe a bit lower, and I'm doing that. It's hitting my jacket a bit. It's a bit annoying. And it's also this ride out, I'm out testing my new gloves, which are lovely, and my new jacket. I tried the jacket on before I got out. I was like, ow, this is not comfortable, this is hard to get up, this is tight to zip up, which hard. I'm right here. I got this jacket, same, different colour. It's on sale, it's a blue one, the RST. You've seen the video on YouTube. A wee quick video, that's the one I bought, the green one. See what I'm going here. But yeah, the blue one came and it was too tight. The one jacket I have is different size, it's like a size 50. I think different. It's weird. So I wish I got it here, and the one I got here was like, I think it was like European size. It's probably a different size, but I got the size down and then realised it's too small. But I think it's probably the same size as the one I have, but I got a size up, and it's still slightly tight, but it's actually I'm riding here now, it's quite comfortable. My fastest jar. It's quite comfortable, but it's like restricted balls. Tight leather jackets that are restricted. They're quite tight. That's why I like the all weather. It's just more comfortable. Plus, this here's brand new, and it's being leather. I think, am I right by saying leather takes a while to work in, form for your body, get softer, so I'm hoping that too. So no, I think at the minute it's comfy enough. On the bike, pulling off it, trying to get on. Get a bit tightness from the comfortable. I think, I don't know, comfy enough but at the minute, I'll tell you later on, change my mind. And the gloves, yeah, perfect. RST as well. Don't like them, lovely. But yeah, sorry for the delay on the right videos. I've just been doing musical things both between that. Another thing as well. But we'll see now I take my heat turn off here. He sounding I'm shouting. I'll try to sort throat. Like a hobby. Yeah. What have been out maybe? Oh, look at the clock, that clock's not. It's actually 2 or something. I didn't change that. See if that. Oh! Just, I think I've got a fucking motorbike. Yeah, it's mad, isn't it? I drove it home. Through I suppose a 10-minute ride, like, but it was so comfy. I was around the corner, did it around that so easy. I don't know what it is. Now I'm flustered, but yeah. Nice wee bridge come through the top of that. At the helmet now. I hope this is a recording voice. My head's been beating on the last helmet. I actually got a balaclava type thing. An open face one. I'm not going to shop for that. Give me all your money. But got put that on was got perfect for my long hair. Needs the hair's up the road. Stuff like that. It's hard to get. It's perfect every time I have it on the hair, you can down your ears. But I got that. They cost it doing it. I had it on. I was like, this is fucking roasty. So I threw it off. Do at the time. I'll stop talking now for a while. Yeah. It's a nice day for us. I was going out yesterday and I was tired and I was off work yesterday. It's good to go out yesterday and I was like, rain forecast the next time. But I don't care much with that. I don't mind. Black clouds are now, but I hope you can see this from up and down my head up and down there. But yesterday's the cat, I was going on that or not, but it wasn't in the mood. I was tired. I was set up and do something else in the marine anyway. Anyway, and so done the lawn at the back, grass at the back, the thick grass at the back. Oh, there's stones here. Yeah, really there. So yeah, it's good of the lovely dry roads, makes a difference. Either in shit shape, I'm very close to the line there, but what do you go through for hit this road? Especially car, I choose the car. It had to be right angle to see out the road. It's a bitch. And that hedge, there's a hedge on the left. I was like, wish somebody would cut it. It's one solitary hedge there, sitting. I was like, would you somebody cut that so I can see down the road? That's just me. So you can't see a thing. But the bike says you've got a view. I'm like, here, take a forge over. There you go. There's a bad corner. Fucking hell, my heck. Annoy me. I chose that right away to kiss it. But yeah, my quad lock case is still there. I'd say I've got a new case. Oh, I'm not cheap this time. I actually got an official quad lock case that fits my phone. Since buying an iPhone 16. Go me! But I had an iPhone. The guy that I was thinking about it, I said, well, an iPhone 5 last one. It was an iPhone 4, I think that's what I got. An iPhone 4, the last one I got. So I got an iPhone and actually go on the website, quad lock. From before I was buying universal adapter, you put in the back of your phone case, and it was amazing. I bought two of them for different phones, obviously different cases like. But yeah, it worked a treat, but this is a bit better. Actually fits better in, but it's still there. I just gotta stop in here. I'll talk to you after. Not to see yet. You did better practice. Indicator off. That's it. That's better now. Yeah. Back on board, that's for the night forward. What the big thing? What the back goes from yeah. Shit, I better order that. So it's back up. I think I did that right, yeah. But I wait for my shirt. So and so. Fiat. Fix it again, Tony. That's John talking shit. Oh. I'm gonna get our deck last minute. Did you see that? That's what you're dealing with. That's what you're dealing with. I just go straight home. Look at the clouds. When I say that, it's spitting rain on my visor. Yeah. My time to say yeah in this video. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, this hammer sniper. Shave. I'll tell you what I did as well. Or what I didn't do. I wonder why the helmet was better hitting this camera with the end of it was hitting my jacket. I thought the jacket cut out a bit and then you were slower a bit, but the reason why the full lights on we didn't have the helmet buckled up. I left the house, not like a hurry. I was not far behind. I left the house and forgot to buckle it up. The D-ring. I put through the D-ring background and snap it in secure, but the helmet's tight enough anyway, so I think I'll go on it as to come off. But what an absolute dipstick. Forgot to tighten the helmet. That's the first time ever. But yeah. Left behind, so I was getting out the bike, but not really worry what time I went at. I had no big rush to be anywhere. I'm back from, I think. But looking for the thing on the side of my helmet. I think it's big. Tired. Quad lock. It's not the quad lock, Joe. Not the quad lock. The pack talk. It's the what do you call it? Pack talk. Cardo. Pack talk. It's intercom system I use for recording on my phone. On my first time recording on my iPhone. Mention my new phone again. It's since the Samsung, but yeah. I use it. I had no gear. And I couldn't find it. I went looking for it. I couldn't find it. Checked the fridge. It's a magnetic. It sticks out of a magnetic. It's quite strong. And I put in the fridge. It wasn't there. And looked at the house. Shed. Usually I put in the shed around the camera equipment. Batteries, stuff like that. So I just hope this is still recording. I did charge all the batteries up. Full life, but I suppose use this camera. But you've ready to get on deck, so you're going that way or left, should I say? Oh, he's not. Oh, jeez, that was a tight one there. But yeah, I couldn't find it. I'm right at I couldn't record audio from my helmet. Couldn't hear me talking, probably it's not a bad thing. But yeah, couldn't find it. Looked up the house, down the house. Use your place where I get it. Then I screw them blokes. The price come through them. That'd be nice for it. I couldn't find it. I've actually remembered then. Possibly I was in one of the cupboards and I found it. Anyway, Doesn't spiel. And then I got trouble and connected to my golden banner I got there. Is this stuff? I thought somebody else knocked you over. Well, I don't know, but try this different. Yeah. Turn this back a bit. Don't mind. So that's my back. Back on track. Back in the bike. I hope moving has come up. I always say that, but always do. Thank you to it, BMW. Return. But I always do get some more videos. Or what am I doing? I don't nobody watches them. Nobody watches my long picture length. Nobody watches my long videos. Jesus, cool now. I'm real advisor. Everyone likes shorts. Life is shorts. I pass this. Oh, no, come on. Tired. Get home and get and the only thing is advantage of the Samsung phone and holder that I had. It was more 1 unit and waterproof. Well, iPhone, I don't know how waterproof the iPhone is like, but I think I was getting, man. There seems to be no water on the phone anyway because the visor or that is deflecting it off. But I'm sure sound is fine. But that's not the direction really in the different story. But long term speed, just put in your backpack or your pocket or something. Away you go. Fuck you anyway, you bastard. Sorry for the language. There's how you're in now. After me saying French rain and bollocks, but I didn't want that today. But once I got out, it was half dry. I didn't mind rain or not. Because I knew it. For a Sunday, you would never get in the bike. And my people would tell you that, my bike would tell you that. Another story of fun on the bikes. Me, my brother, my cousin, back in the days, we all had bikes. I didn't have a bike for years. Bought have a bike for years after. I couldn't have a bike for years. I can't imagine on our couldn't. Like, you can't back and forth. Like, you life, like, outside the bikes, things to pay for it and stuff. But it is what, out in the bikes, you can adjust it, like. You could have definitely done it. But I don't like. Plan, we're going out this weekend and all that. Blah. Out in the bikes. I've seen somebody pull the motorbike out of the start. But I hope you can hear me alright. Because I feel like I'm shouting. This will do me today. I hope. I take it easy this year. Tarpers is fucking sunny. It's all ripped off it. I hope to see you all very soon. But for now, look at this car passes first. For now, goodbye from John from Motor Music. See you later.